You've probably seen a lot of videos like this one, Everyday Carry. A video where people showcase what's in their pockets and what they carry around with them every day. I happen to really like these types of videos, and I thought, let me make my own. I apologize if my voice sounds weird. I haven't been keeping well for the past few days, but I really wanted to get this video out to you guys, so yeah. Let's start with the phone that I carry every day, the iPhone XR. I've been using this for the past month, and I've got to say, it's a really great phone. I upgraded from the 6S, so this is a huge upgrade. If you want to know more about this phone, you can check out my full review linked in the description. Paired with this phone, I've got the wonderful Spigen Air case. Not only is this case slim, but it also provides the perfect amount of protection. It supports wireless charging and the button cutouts are perfect. The case is nice and soft and is probably one of my most favorite cases. Next up are the AirPods. This is something that I carry with me almost everywhere. It's indispensable. They sound great and they both get me around 5 hours of use, and the case gives an extra 24 hours. It's a win. But what makes the AirPods worth it by far is the convenience factor. Pairing and switching between devices is seamless and super fast. My favorite feature is the autoplay and pause. If there's a chance that you'd like to know more about these, you can check out my full review. Up next is my wallet. Now, I don't get to carry around fancy card cases like everyone else because cash is still a major method of transaction here in India. Besides, your wallet is supposed to be a house for everything, right? Imagine having a wallet like that. Unlike that, this wallet is super slim and fits in my pocket comfortably. Oh, and change, because I still have to carry that around. My watch is the Xiaomi Mi Band 3, and I've been using this for almost a year now. There's a lot to like about this band. It has long battery life, has good fitness tracking, and an ample amount of features for a band. Now, if I'm honest, I haven't been kind to this band over the last year. It's taken quite the beating, but it's held up really well. It's been quite a long time since I've worn a traditional watch. Occasionally, I'll borrow this from my mom just to try it out. If you're in the market for a smartwatch, there's really nothing else besides the Apple Watch and Samsung's Galaxy Gear. Moving on, I carry this piece of weird tech just to see all the photos and videos I've captured on my camera. It supports SD and microSD cards and plugs in directly to the phone. Not many people include these in their videos, but staying true to the topic, well, this is my everyday carry. This is my pair of glasses. I bought both the frame and the lenses from Vision Express here in India. They're sturdy and lightweight, and that's all I can really ask for. If you stare at a screen and you wear glasses, I highly recommend you get a blue light filter. So yeah, that's what I carry. The iPhone XR, Apple's AirPods, this beautiful blue leather wallet from Laurel's, the simplistic but highly functional Mi Band, and these glasses. Well, that's it for me here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.